Oh boy. Oh yeah. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're in Rancho. A beehive and a water meter box. Look at that. Alright guys, here it goes. Let's see what we got in here. Oh boy. Oh yeah. Would you look at that? They're not aggressive, which is nice. You know what, let me not speak too soon. Once I get my hands in there, we'll find out. Here it goes. Look at that. Yeah, there's definitely some brood there. Got plenty going on. Oh yeah. There we have it. These guys have already swarmed. I don't particularly look for the queen. I look for signs, or the piece of honeycomb that has all the babies and the larvae. Just carefully place that on the box. That's all eggs right there that you see. Those little dots that are filled, that's all babies. And the queen's usually somewhere on there. Just empty. Got a little bit of bees right there. Let's scoop them out. Oh yeah, look at that. There's another bunch right there. I usually don't like getting on my knees. I leave that to my wife. Now let's chase the bees out. The repellent. Oop. They're out. Now we're going to take this lid and shake it into the box. Let's place this box so the bees can find it. There. Let them do their thing. Hopefully they settle down pretty quickly so we can take it right away. Alright guys, we are all done. Gonna give the bees a few minutes to settle down. There's the box. Give them some time. We'll be good to go.